How to block pornographic websites from any phone. We often hand our phones over to friends, family, or children, and it's concerning how easily they might stumble upon inappropriate websites. But fret not, I've got you covered. In this tutorial, I'll walk you through a 100% effective way to ensure these websites are inaccessible from your device. Before we dive in, I'd appreciate it if you could subscribe to our channel and hit the like button on this video. Let's get started. I'll demonstrate something concerning first. When I search for explicit content on Google, notice how it's worryingly accessible. This poses a big problem. However, with a simple adjustment on your phone, you'll be able to prevent these sites from ever appearing again. So, let's tackle this issue head-on. First, head over to your phone settings. The layout might vary since I'm using a specific model, but I'll guide you through a universal method. Navigate to Connection and Sharing in my Settings menu. Here, you're looking for the Private DNS option. If Connection and Sharing isn't listed on your device, don't worry. Use the search feature in your settings and type Private DNS. Once you've found Private DNS, you'll see there are several options. Select Private DNS Provider Hostname and enter the following address: adult-filter-dns.cleanbrowsing.org. Make sure to save your changes and verify that it's activated by looking for a blue check mark. Let's test it out. Exiting the settings and conducting a search for the same explicit content shows that it's no longer accessible. It's that simple to safeguard your phone from adult content, ensuring it remains family-friendly. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tutorials. Looking forward to seeing you in the next one.